afternoon, everybody. So just another day in Poznan, Poland. So today is weekend basically, and normally bright blue sky, but today the weather change. I think it's a bit cooler than previous days, but no worries. I always keep you updating about how it is, life in Poznan, Poland. For those of you who is planning to come to Poznan, Poland and thinking what we're gonna do or what you will eat, so you must watch my video. Okay, so behind me, see already many people coming. It's almost 12 o'clock, so it means will be ding dong time. I call it as a ding dong time. Let's see. This is what I told you as a ding dong time. When it's 12 o'clock, oh look at this guy or lady. When the 12 o'clock, people will gather here and watch the goat. Look at the colorful building. It's amazing, isn't it?
Who's gonna win? I think the one on the right is winning. Yeah, I think the one on the right.
So that was actually the attraction every 12 and 6, if I'm not mistaken. And then now we will go exploring the things that what we can do around here in Stari Rinek. Oh, look at this one, Basilica Church. I think that we were there when the first time we are here, but today we will go to this museum Archeologiczne. Just give you a quick navigation. That's the Zamek Królicki. That's basically the area of the Stari Rinek. Wow, look at this building architecture, the arts. It's beautiful, isn't it? And the road here is very clean. We just arrived in Museum Archeologiczne, so let's go. Wow, so if you come here every Saturday, the ticket is free. Basically, look at this obelisk. So cool. Let's go. Wow, look at this. So we will go upstairs. Let's go there. Oh, look at this one. This one is of the old Stone Age. Wow. Oh, look at this. Amazing. This one is the early Bronze era. Downstairs here, so many things. So basically this is how it looks here under the ground. That was the Museum Archeologiczne. It's a very nice museum and then highly recommended whenever you want to learn about archaeological things. So many historic things there. And so yeah, so now it's time to have a stroll around again. It's a bit chilly. And then I will buy Swento Rogale Swento Marcinski because tomorrow we will have a family gathering. I need to buy something for Damian's family. The museum, and then we walk straight. So let's see, many restaurants already opening their chairs outside. And look at this one. And look at the church in front of me, and many nice coffee. Oh, look at this one down there. Ukrainian's food coffee shop. And yeah, but we are not going there today because last time we already been there. So let's see what we're gonna have. It's just beautiful. I really like the architecture. I just really like the art here on the top and over there also. So nice. Wow, look at this one. And this one is also another restaurant. Let's see. Amazing. Look at this street art. It's beautiful, isn't it? And then this one, many restaurant. Very nice. Look at this building architecture. Very nice. And also in front of me there is a nice hostel, restaurant on the left, on the right side. Amazing. Look at the building architecture there. And this one is another restaurant. I'll show you 360 degree the vibe. Look at on the top. I really like the architecture. Nice. So that's basically the Stary Rynek. Busy. So now it's time to buy the Rogale Swento Marcinski. This one is the Rogale Swento Marcinski. So whenever you come to Poznan, this one Rogale, like a special croissant that only made it here in Poznan. Look at this one. Nice. So I bought two Rogale Swento Marcin, cost me around 10 zloty something. This is for Mama Itata because they never been to Poznan before. Yeah, I think that's all my video today, guys. Thanks for watching. It's gonna be raining soon, and see you tomorrow. Bye. Time to go home. So we will go to the tram number 2 like this. So from Ale Marcinkowieckiego we'll go to Rynek Piłsudski.